After punching the rubber dam according to the position of the dental arc, it is stabilized on Young's frame, and the ensemble is carried toward the ivory model. With the help of the clamp forceps, we position the clamps firmly over the anchor tooth, ensuring hermetic seal, and we use dental floss in the interproximal areas to properly invert the dam, achieving a completely clean and moisture-free field. In the anterior sector, we approach tooth 21 to treat a Clase IV lesion. Here, we prepare the surface by precisely defining the compromised margins and creating a smooth bevel on the enamel, which will be key to blending the optical transition of the future resin. In contrast, for the Clase IV of 221, we perform a double etching that covers both the enamel and exposed dentin. Allow the gel to react for 50 to 20 seconds, followed by greasing with abundant pressures, water, and proceeding with a highly careful drying process. Immediately after, we initiate the bonding protocol by applying the adhesive system with a microbrush, scrubbing actively across all cavity walls. Right after, we apply a gentle stream of air to completely evaporate the solvent and achieve a fluid, thin, and homogeneous film. To transfer this interface into a resilient hybrid layer, we cure the adhesive with a high-intensity lamp for 50 continuous seconds, thereby ensuring optical polymerization before placing the restorative material. The composite resin reconstruction is performed externally in an incremental manner, placing layers that do not exceed 2 mm in thickness. On the tooth 21, we meticulously model the palatal surface, the marginal ridge, and the Clase IV angle, always maintaining perfect symmetry with the homologous tooth. Finally, after a general cure, we proceed to finishing and polishing stage, strictly following the manufacturer's instruction by using color-coded sequential abrasive discs. We begin with the darker shade discs to perform a contouring and remove any excess resin, and we gradually progress toward the lighter shade discs to smooth the surface and bring out a mirror-like shine.